good morning and I hope you're doing well. So currently it's 9 AM right now and I woke up around 8:30. So I'm just going to go ahead and start my day. So I thought that I will let you guys decide how my day should go. Throughout the entire day, I'm just going to keep on putting polls on my Insta stories so that you guys get to choose what I should do. So first thing in the morning, I'm just going to put up a text asking you guys what I should have, whether I should have lemon water or aloe vera juice. So basically I have aloe vera juice most of the days as compared to lemon water because aloe vera juice is great for the skin. Either way, I really don't mind. So I'm just going to put up the poll quickly and depending on where it leans to, I'm going to have that. So I'll check in with you guys in some time. Okay, so I asked you guys if I should have lemon water or aloe vera juice and a lot of you guys voted for lemon water. Here I have a glass of warm lemon water with a little bit of lemon inside and I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy this. Okay guys, so I'm done having lemon water and it's been around 20 minutes and I think like it's the perfect time to have breakfast. So I'm just going to put up a poll giving you guys two options for breakfast. One is going to be a bowl of fruits and second one is going to be cereal or cornflakes. I generally don't like to have just fruits for breakfast because I don't really like fruits that much. I'm just not that kind of a person, but I mean, I don't know, if you guys, choose fruits, then I guess I will have to have fruits. But I really hope you guys choose cornflakes, even though I don't like cornflakes that much, but I would still choose cornflakes over fruits. So yeah, I'm going to give you guys two options. So it's been around 15 minutes and I checked back on the poll and you guys chose fruits. So there you go guys, I have a bunch of fruits. So I have some papaya, some pomegranates, and I have some soaked almonds. I also have a banana which I will eat later. Hopefully you guys will make better choices in the next few polls. So yeah, I'll catch you guys after having my breakfast. Since it's a Sunday and I don't have any outdoor shoots, I thought that maybe I should do some self-portrait series that I've been doing for like a month and a half now, where I take my own pictures in my house. So I'm just going to put up a poll and ask you guys if I should do some or maybe I should just take a break on Sunday and just chill and enjoy. And I will check back with you guys in 10 minutes. So it's been around 10 minutes and I just checked back and a majority of you guys have voted for self-portraits. So I'm just going to go quickly put on some light makeup, change into an outfit, take some pictures and I'll get back to you guys. I am done taking some self-portraits and I'm also done clicking the thumbnail for this video since I was all done up. As you can see, I've done a very subtle, very natural makeup. I've only, put some blush, some eyeliner, eyebrows, some concealer and some lipstick because that's what I like to do when I'm taking self-portraits. I don't like to put in a lot of makeup because I don't think it's really necessary. Also, I have this wrap top on. I also had another outfit. So I basically took two different outfit self-portraits. So yeah, I'll insert some pictures here so that you guys can see. Also, I'll put them up on my Instagram. So by the time I'm talking to you guys right now, the next poll is already up and I had asked you guys whether I should try the new face mask that I got yesterday by Bottle Bliss or I should just go with my standard face mask that I already have and I know which works well for me. And the reason why I'm going to put on a face mask right now is because I have a wedding reception to attend in the evening and I was really hoping you guys will choose the for me to go with the one that I already know, because I personally don't want to risk using the new one because even though it's all organic and everything, I've just never tried it, so I don't know how it's going to react with my skin. You guys chose the new one. I think you guys are trying to kill me or something. I guess there's always a first time for everything, so I'm gonna go ahead and try the new one. So guys, I went ahead and put on the face mask and I look super scary right now, but let me tell you guys, this mask smells like a super expensive dessert. Like it has coffee, it has cocoa powder, it has oats and Fuller's Earth. Except for Fuller's Earth or Multani Mitti, all the other ingredients makes this mask smell like a super expensive dessert and I am living for it. My face Like if you guys were in front of me and if you guys were smelling my face, you might want to eat my face. Since I am going out, I want to repaint my nails into a different color, because the nail polish that I have right now has chipped off. Two options over here. I have a nice grey color and I have a nice mauve color, so I'm just going to give you guys that option. Let's see what the poll says. So it's been about 10 minutes and as you can see, the mask has finally started to dry up, and I can't really open my mouth that much because the Multani Mitti is really pulling on my skin and it's making it really tight. Which nail polish I should wear, and you guys chose this one. So I've already started painting my nails. I'm done painting my left hand and I'm just going to go ahead and paint my right hand. Meanwhile, this will completely dry off. I'm actually very excited to see how my face is going to look and feel after I wash it off. So yeah, I'll catch you guys after that. So guys, this is what my face looks like after I washed it. So I went ahead and took a shower and yeah, obviously changed into a new set of PJs, and this is what my face looks like after the face mask. I don't think I can see any significant change, but then I wasn't really expecting anything because I was using it for the first time, but my face does feel a lot more tighter. I'm just going to go ahead and have my lunch, and sorry guys, I can't let you decide what my lunch is because even I am not allowed to do that, because I'm just going to have lunch at home. Hey guys, so it's 5:15 right now and I'm going to go and start getting ready. I already have the outfit planned, and since I was going for a wedding reception, I had already planned the outfit days back, so I couldn't really put that up for choice because I had already chosen, and there's no point in putting, you know, giving you two options when I already know what I'm going to wear for sure. But everything else I'm going to let you guys decide. So right now I've already put up a poll on Instagram asking if I should straighten my hair or leave it as it is, like, you know, natural, wavy, something like that. So yeah, by the time I go and wash my face and start getting ready, I should be able to know what I should do with my hair. So guys, I'm almost ready right now. I've already worn the outfit. I still haven't done anything to my hair, and I'm just going to check the poll and see what you guys are saying in favor of. Okay, so 63% straighten and 37% natural. So I am going to go ahead and straighten my hair. I'm going to put up another poll asking you guys what lipstick I should wear. So I have two choices and I can't decide and I need your help. Okay guys, so I am done with my makeup and now it's on to the jewelry. So I just put up a poll asking which earring I should wear because I'm just going to be wearing big earrings. So I've left the choice up to you guys. So on my lips, I'm wearing Kristen because I just checked the poll and majority of you guys voted for Kristen. I think when I checked, at least 100% of you guys voted for Kristen. So yeah, I'm so glad you voted for Kristen because I secretly wanted to wear Kristen. So thank you so much guys. So guys, I am completely ready. So I asked you guys if I should wear this earring or the other one, and majority of you guys said this one, so I'm wearing this one. I mean, I kind of wanted you guys to choose the other elements too, like the accessories and the shoes and everything, but then turns out that I am extremely late, so I just chose it myself. And yeah, this is the complete outfit. Getting this bag, and I'll catch you guys after I'm done. So I'm just going to go ahead and post my last poll right now. So this is going to be the final poll where I ask you guys what I should be watching after I, change into my PJs. I really hope you guys choose 13 Reasons Why because I really want to watch 13 Reasons Why. You guys choose something else, so I guess today is not the day to watch 13 Reasons Why. So I decided to watch Famous in Love. It's another series. So I'm watching season 2 Famous in Love on Amazon Prime, and I'm going to go ahead and watch the latest episode, which is episode number 9. I really enjoyed having my decisions made by a bunch of you guys. Also, thank you so much guys for participating in this, because without you guys I won't be able to make this videos. I really enjoyed you guys making some decisions for me, even though there were a few decisions I wish you had chosen the other option, but that's okay. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you guys liked it, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.